Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free and save up to 200 USD for GitHub Certification Voucher 2026. So there is two certifications are there, Foundations or Copilot. So GitHub Foundations certification you can get, or you can get GitHub Copilot certification. So we'll go step by step process to get free GitHub certification voucher 2026 foundation and copilot exam guide. So boost your developer career with the official GitHub or certification. So GitHub is offering free certification voucher to verified students. So this certification is for the verified student, allowing you to validate your skill, one of the world most widely used AI powered developer platforms. So offer details are there. Verified student get one free voucher code and choose one of the exam, that is GitHub Foundation certification and GitHub Copilot certification. So voucher valid till the June of 30th 2026. Limited availability is the first come first serve. So worth of this certificate is of 200 USD. So voucher can be used only once and one exam. So you can get one of this exam for this certification. So about GitHub certification, GitHub Foundation certification, so covers Git basic, repository, collaboration and workflow. So ideal for the beginner and all GitHub user. And GitHub Copilot certification focus on the AI powered coding, prompt and engineering and productivity. So great for the developer using the AI tools. So this certification validate your real world skill and enhance your resume credibility. So eligibility must have the GitHub student developer pack. Student verification is required. So available globally and applied with the GitHub student developer pack. So this is the URL. So there is option sign up for the student developer pack and go to the last. Here you can find about the GitHub certification voucher. So this one. So here you can read getting the GitHub credential is the resounding endorsement to the validate your skill, credibility, and knowledge of the world most widely adopted AI-powered developer platform. So offer is that showcase your expertise on the GitHub credential, and verified student get one voucher code for the use of either the foundation or GitHub Copilot GitHub certification exam. So currently coupon is expiring on June of 30th, 2026. So you can go through this. So first we will go from the sign up. So click on the sign up for the student developer pack. Here you have to provide your username and password, or you can log in with Google also, and you can create your account. So sign up your account. There is your email address, password, username, and your country region, and you have to create. So this is a simple way, or you can sign up through the Google also. So we are going to sign up with the username and password. So click there. So we have logged in. After logged in, you can go to the billing and licensing. There is one option is there, education benefits. So for free GitHub developer resource for the student and teacher, Copilot is free for the 180 months. This is the code space hours for the cloud coding, unlimited private repository on the GitHub Pro or team. So here is the option education benefits. So complete your teacher student application, unlock your tools and resources to educational journey. So you have to click here and start an application. So there is an option. So select your role of the education. You can as a teacher or as a student. Name of the school. Check any of the school, any of the this one university. If you choose like this, you have to choose the school for the two-factor authentication. And just I'm going through the another NIT Jamshedpur. If you go through this, you have to provide the domain is nitjsr.ac.in, like that. So add and verify the school issue email address. So your account setting. So you have to go through this, and some of the school for the example. So Kerala Public School Trust. You can search like that, and you have to provide the school email address and click on the share location. So click on the continue. Here you have to provide which ID you are providing. Okay. So dated official and unofficial transit, and these are the options. You can one of these. So dated is class schedule for the semester. Start camera. You have to capture. You have to capture your detail. Okay. So we have captured. Next, you don't have to capture blank. I'm just showing this one blank. So you have to capture this one dated school schedule for the semester. So click on continue. Now, why you are not in the campus? So this semester class will not yet started, and these are the things. And please provide and start the camera again. Now, final step is that submit your application. And I will show you after submission how it works, how it looks. Let me open one more. So here my account is there, and when you will apply, so start an application we have done and coupon applied, so you will get a like this. Okay. So verified benefits and other details you will get there. So congratulations, your academic benefit inclusion partner offers are now available. So you'll approve and you'll get a coupon. So you have to submit the application for that. We have wrong information on this. So I'm going to close this one. So all the details you will get. So we have seen step-by-step process to how to get 100% free save 200 USD GitHub certification voucher 2026 for the foundation and Copilot, and all the steps are there. So how to claim the voucher? So get verified as a student on GitHub, open student developer pack, find the certification offer, request your voucher code, and schedule your exam via GitHub Learn and Microsoft Learn. So why you should get certified? So validate your GitHub and AI skills, industry recognized credential, boost your resume and job opportunities, stand out the tech interviews. All the details are there. So after verification, you will get more organization, emails. So you have to add the email here also, and you have to verify it. Just like I'm added this one and verified connected to Google also. So you have to add your email address and here and verified, and After that, you have to apply for the coupon. So voucher will expire on the June 30th, 2026. This is a limited coupon. Claim yours early. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow the process exactly shown in the video and follow and support YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. So share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I'll reply personally. So subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto tutorial. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Thank you.